Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you don't share my videos, kindly support a girl. Support a girl. So I forgot to do an introduction of this video, and yes, that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, earlier, before I did the video, today's vlog is I've deep cleaned my kitchen. It was looking a mess, and also I have boiled some cereals, and what else have I done? I had gone to the market early in the morning, so I want to show you guys what I got from the market. So the first thing that I got were maize. As you can see guys, nishatumia, zilikuwa I think zilikuwa zimefika mahali hapo, nimepika zingine nazo githeri. And I also got, what are these green grams, ndengu za green, yes. And I also got beans. These are 2 kg. I had also 2 kg. Nilikuwa nimebuy 4 kg. 2 kg nikatumia kupika githeri, and these ones I want to boil them. And I also bought lettuce. Aki vitu kwa soko, they are not fresh. And the way I had gone early in the morning so that I can get the fresh vegetables, but where? CG. So it's not really fresh, but I think it's better. It's for making burgers. And guys, if you haven't checked on my video on how to make bread burgers, kindly I'll put a link on the top there, so you can go and check it out. I also got danias. Ati sasa hizi dania venye zinatoshana hivyo ni za 30 bob. Kama kwenyu dania hijaanza kutoka 10 bob, kama haijaanza kutoka 10 bob, mi sijui by the way. Ati hizi sasa ni za 30 bob, hizo venye ziko. There are 3 of them. The other thing that I got was this ginger. It was going for 20 bob. Yes, 20 bob. Nilipa 60 bob. Yeah, it was going for 20 bob. I got one. And the other thing that I got were these ones. Izo ni garlic. Hizi ni garlic. Yes, garlic. I also got this, the red one and the yellow one. They were going for 30 bob. Hizi sasa ndio ati ndogo. They were going for 30 bob. I think sijui if it's worth it. I don't know if getting them from the supermarket it's cheaper. Sijui. I'll go and check from the supermarket how much they are selling them. The other things that I got were this, the green peppers. I got 3 of them. They were going for 20 bob each. And I got this. Hii ilikuwa inauza, mimi sijui hizi vitu zimedisappear wapi, because this one was going for 40 bob. Hivyo venye iko 40 shillings. And the other things that I got, sisi nafaa kuzitoa, ni nyanya. And I guess kwenda mapema kwa soko ni poa, because these ones were going for 320. I felt so nice, because zingine nilibaingi, they were even smaller, they were going for 10 bob. So leo nikaamua leo ni mimi na soko, so I got these ones 320, nikabai za 150. Hizo zitanisukuma for I think a week. And yes guys, I don't think there's anything that I got. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging you guys. I'm at 404. Yes, and I'm really grateful. Getting to that number. Ku get numbers kwa YouTube, it's not easy, but you guys are the best. 404. Thank you so much. If you don't like my videos, kindly when you watch my video, hit that like button so that ni grow twende tukigrow kabisa. And I hope you're going to enjoy this video. And yes, thank you so much guys, and may God bless you.